Good afternoon everyone, I am Dennis II O. Salinas, and today I am going to discuss about the DepEd Computerization Program or DCP. So first, let's define what DCP is. So, the DepEd Computerization Program is a nationwide initiative to provide public elementary schools with computers and other ICT equipment to enhance the teaching and learning process. However, the effectiveness of this program and its impact on the computer literacy level of school personnel have yet to be fully explored. So here, we all know that the emergence of the 21st century is kasabay din nun is ang pag-emerge ng technology or technology enhancement. So, most of the people sa bansa natin is hindi masyado nakakasabay sa pag-usbong ng technology. So, the DCP aims to provide a ICT literacy, lalong-lalo na sa mga estudyante and mga teacher. So, magagamit na lang advantages yon sa mga estudyante sa pagkatuto nila, sa learnings nila, and sa mga teacher naman sa paggawa nila ng lessons or other para ma-improve yung curriculum nila. So next, the DepEd Computerization Program also aims to provide public schools with appropriate technologies that would enhance the teaching, learning process, and meet the challenges of the 21st century. This program shall respond to the computer backlog of public schools by providing them hardware and software training on simple troubleshooting. So as what I said earlier na sa pag-usbong ng 21st century, so mostly hindi talaga nakakasabay yung mga tao sa technological enhancement. So that's why yung DepEd is nag-provide sila ng mga ganitong policy. So sa policy na to, ang objectives nito is the DepEd will provide computer laboratories to secondary schools, equip secondary school with computer labs containing 10 to 20 computers and peripherals. Next, provide e-classroom to elementary school. So dito, provide elementary schools with e-classroom equipped with computer and other ICT tools. Next, enhance ICT literacy. Tulad na sabi ko kanina, train teachers, students, and school heads on using and maintaining computers and other ICT equipment. So dito, magkakaroon sila ng literacy about how to use ICT and how to use the advantages of it. So next, integrate ICT into the curriculum. Encourage the use of technology in teaching and learning, helping teachers incorporate ICT into their lessons. So, and this matters. So, the ICT will be used para ma-improve yung curriculum or yung teaching ng mga teachers sa kanilang mga students. So, next, the Department of Education or DepEd, in cooperation with the Philippine National Police or PNP and the Department of the Interior and Local Government DILG, held a press conference last April 6, 2018 at San Juan Sumulong High School in Cubao, Quezon City. So, on April 6, 2018 daw, nagkaroon ng press conference ang DepEd with cooperation of Philippine National Police about sa DepEd Computerization Program. So, the event's main objective is to intensify the public awareness on the DepEd Computerization Program or DCP, which is to provide public schools with appropriate information and communication technologies, ICT, that would improve the teaching and learning process. It is among DepEd's efforts to raise the ICT literacy to learners, teachers, and school heads by integrating ICT in the school system, by providing laboratory packages to secondary schools and electronic classroom to elementary schools. DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtoles Briones, Undersecretary for Administration Alain Del Pascua, Information and Communication Technology Services or ICTS, Director Abraham Abanil, DILG Secretary for Communication and Capacity Development Jonathan Malaya, Director for Police Communications Relations Eduardo Serafio Garado, and DepEd NCR OIC Office of the Regional Director Mr. Wilfredo E. Cabral joined the conference. So before I finish my discussion, so this is my application and conclusion about this policy. So as what I said earlier, that the emergence of technology is inevitable. So as a student, dapat is magkaroon ako ng basic literacy about sa ICT and how to use it, lalo na sa learning process ko on my own. And as a future educator, dapat maging equipped tayo sa ganitong mga matters, lalo na sa paglalagay ng ICT or pag-add ng ICT para ma-improve yung teaching natin and pag-add nito sa ating curriculum. So I hope na gamitin natin ng maayos at accountable yung technology and ICT para sa yun, ikabubuti ng lahat. And that's all my report. Thank you.